every thought, the moment it occurs, a chemical is released. This chemical carries information from one neuron to another neuron. What is information? What you are listening from your lecturer is information. What you are studying from your material is information. That will be transmitted from one neuron to another neuron. While it is so, again the research is asking some simple questions. Do you get thoughts of irritation? Do you get thoughts of tension? Do you get thoughts of anxiety? Do you get thoughts of fear, dissatisfaction, jealous? You may ask, sir, what is this nonsense? Every human being, this is a human phenomena, getting thoughts of irritation, anger, tension, anxiety. Yes, absolutely. But listen to me carefully. If you get any of these thoughts, irritation, anger, tension, anxiety, if you get any of these thoughts, occasionally welcome it. Instead of this, if you get any of these thoughts several times in a day, what is going to happen? Harmful neurotransmitters. These negative thoughts are carried by harmful chemicals. They are called catecholamines, stress hormones they are. When the stress hormones level is more in the system, what happens? Your focus on what it should be will be disturbed. You cannot be ambitious. Every day you may be promising yourself, from tomorrow onwards I will do, from tomorrow onwards I will do. And if you are bombarded with any of these negative thoughts, you cannot be ambitious. You cannot commit yourself. You cannot show more interest towards your goals. Every now and then you are breaking your promises. Getting my point? Believe me friends, enemy is not outside, enemy is inside. Your lack of concentration, your lack of interest, lack of commitment, lack of ambition, the due reason is inside. You are the reason. Your negative side is the reason. Of course, every human being is having both positive as well as negative. But unfortunately, we learned sometimes letting negative thoughts be dominant. As a result of that, your hard work becomes waste. Don't work hard, work smart. What is smart work? In smart work, more concentration, more commitment, more interest towards your goal will be there. So, how to develop? If you are able to erase, if you are able to free from yourself from these negative thoughts impact, yes, you are going to work smart. You need not read, you need not do several times a problem. Your mind will spark, your mind works smart. So, how to get freedom from all these negatives? There are two sure ways. One is, if you pray the God, if you believe the God, definitely it happens. Of course, it is not point for discussion with me today. If you believe the God, believe Him absolutely. If you don't believe the God, never believe, because it is the belief that works. Whether God works or not, it is a different discussion. It is the belief, your belief that alters the biochemistry. If your belief is strong, yes, it will be strong. If your belief is oscillating, what happens? Entire your biochemistry will be disturbed. As a result of that, you suffer from lack of concentration, suffer from lack of confidence, all this happens. The other sure way to make your mind calm apart from belief in the God. So, if you believe the God, you become calm. If you do not believe the God, you become calm. Do not oscillate. The second way is by practicing some simple techniques. Today, we are going to learn one simple technique. You are ready? In this, there is no hard and fast rule. Okay? Breath. Your breath is strongly connected to your thoughts, to your emotions. So, presently science says that, research says that we take 16 to 18 breaths per minute. This is not advisable. If you go for 10 to 12 breaths per minute, what happens, you know? An amazing thing happens. Your thoughts become peaceful, calm. Your positive thoughts become more strong, resulting negative thoughts become weak. Okay? So, just elongate your breath, elongate your inhalation, elongate your exhalation. Elongate your inhalation for 5 seconds more, elongate your exhalation for 5 seconds more. Practice 30-40 breaths, I mean 2 or 3 minutes or 4 or 5 times in a day. Practice this several times. If you practice this several times, you will be exposed to an opportunity to make your positive thoughts very strong. Getting my point? And mind you friends, enemy is not outside, enemy is inside. Practice this simple technique. In the next session, I am going to tell you some more techniques to make the mind calm. Okay? With this, let us conclude our session. Have a nice day. Thank you.